Hello, guys. Welcome everyone. I'm Fausto Carnevale. ESENtaxa, impatriate regime. We have news. Actually, it's an administrative news. What you need to do to apply for the impatriate regime as soon as possible. I did the last live here on the channel 2-3 weeks ago. I was in Italy for a week. A lot of people were asking us questions about the impatriate regime. We are very busy. Now I'm going to explain you in this live. Actually, it's a free consultancy for you because you need to do a lot of certain things in order to apply for the impatriate regime. I'm talking about the old rules because, as you know, next year the impatriate regime will be the benefit. It's about 50% and not 90% deduction or 70% deduction as the old rule. Now, I do a disclaimer because today we are 30th of December. Let's say we are already the 1st of December, no? We will give you an update as soon as possible in January. If we have any news, any news, we give you an update in order for you to understand what you need to do. The thing is this. I did a video also, but in this live I'm talking about, normally I reply to some questions. It's just a way to talk more easy, no? So what you need to do, and especially what you need to do if you work as independent, as a freelancer in Italy. The first thing is that you need to get the fiscal code, because with the news about the impatriate regime, the government wants you to be registered in a commune before before the end of this year, which is basically we have 30 days left. Let's not talk in months, we can talk in days. Only 30 days left. So practically, you need to find an apartment. You need to have an agreement, a rental long-term contract. You go to the commune, you explain your situation, which is the fact that you want to apply for the impatriate regime as soon as possible. Of course, maybe they don't know what is the impatriate regime. You need to say to them, because I am applying for this specific regime and the government released this news that they need to be registered in the commune as soon as possible, and as soon as possible, which is by the end of the year, I need you to give me a certificate that I am a resident in the commune as soon as possible. You have to repeat a lot of time, as soon as possible. Consider one thing: in Italy, after the 8th of the month of December, first of all, the 8th of December, it's a holiday in Italy, no? So basically, you have basically 1 week, max 2 weeks. And consider this. Okay, first of all, I will be in holiday in Italy. I will be in Sicily between Monday, from the 9th to the 17th. This is not to say that ESENtaxa is closed. We are open at 24/7 in December because of the impatriate regime, but just for you, for an information, no? Okay, so consider this: in Italy, the week between the 18th and the 24th, it's a holiday week. And consider this, which is worst. The week of Christmas, 25 Christmas, 26 Santo Stefano, it's another holiday. The 30 and 31, people are already thinking, and the New Year's Eve. So if you don't move now, it's impossible that you can call someone to the commune the 26 or 27. Okay, 26 is a holiday. 27, 28, and 29 December, guys, no. You have time until the 17th of December, I would say. Also, because if you work as independent, we need to open the VAT, because we open 4 VATs today. because people are going, or they have already the contract. They went to the commune. The commune asked them, okay, Mr. John, you want to use the impatriate regime? Give me a proof that you work, that you have a job. Okay, which is the proof? The proof is the VAT. So we are opening the VAT very fast until the VAT number, and at least the VAT number. Then the IMPS, the social contribution, it's another thing. Consider this other thing, because I'm talking only if you work as independent. If you work as a freelance, as an employee, it's the same thing. So I remind you 3 steps while drinking my coffee in this cold day in Belgium. First step, you need to have a letter of your company that invites you, formal letter that invites you to work in Italy. There is a form to complete that we will send to you. Of course, guys, you can check in the description. You have time to book a preliminary call. If you need this file, we can send it to you. If your company is a big company, they should know this regime. So what does it mean? It means that they will apply the impatriate regime directly in your payslip from 2024. Why? Because I remind you that the impatriate regime applies to you only if you are already a fiscal resident in Italy, which means that you live in Italy for more than 6 months in 1 year. In this case, you can apply for the impatriate regime. In case you live in Italy 3 months, no. That's why you cannot open. The thing is, you have to move this year, but the fiscal residency you will get it next year. Of course, if you move now, you live 1 month in Italy. You are not taxed in Italy, so you cannot use the impatriate regime. So, just to close my thought here, no, if you move now, you start to invoice with the VAT in 2024. If you are an employee, your company will adapt the pay slips from 2024 already with the good calculation. Because now we did also, actually we have a call on Monday, because now today was the deadline for the tax return in Italy, tax declaration 2022, no? So you can also apply to the tax declaration. You can ask the refund, no? Yeah, you can. But to get the refund is very long. If you want after 5,000 euro, 5,000 euro, which is not millions. If you have a refund which is more than 5,000, 5k, you need an accountant to prove, to sign and to certify that you are eligible for this refund. So this is an extra cost. So that's why, as employee, I would suggest that you talk with the company, and the company does the impatriate regime and payslip. If you don't know how to talk with the company, because guys, the company, it's the HR department, they're not a tax expert. Fun fact: I was talking with a girl in Belgium, a client. She was changing the job, and the HR, she asked, okay, this is the gross. What is the net? She said, yeah, is this the net? And then she totally said an incorrect number. So, guys, when you don't know the difference between gross and net, you cannot ask HR. You need to ask to someone who knows the taxes. So, just to give you this small remind, leave us a comment if you have some questions. We will try to reply. But most important thing, you can write us via email. Remind that today is the deadline for the tax return. I mean, today is the deadline. It means that you can still send the tax return in 1 week, 2 weeks, no more than 90 days. paying, and you will pay a fine of 25 euro, which is totally fine. I hope the fine, the the extra money that you pay for the delay is not a problem. Okay, guys. So hope you enjoyed this live. Hopefully, see you next week still, because in 2 weeks I will be in Italy. I don't know if I can do one live, but just for you to know, I will be in Italy between, yeah, until the 16th. Then maybe the 17th I will be in Milan, and then also working from Italy. Yeah, because guys, I need to work a lot because of the impatriate regime. We are my accounting office in Italy. We are burning this month. We are burning, but we need. I want to help you. That is the thing. I mean, because I don't want to talk bad talk about the politician in Italy, but the only good regime that they did to attract people from abroad, they are removing it. They don't even imagine how many people wants to move to Italy. They don't know. They don't imagine. They don't speak English. Not that I am a professor of English, but they don't understand what you guys want. So I'm here to help you, and hopefully, I mean, if you like this video, leave us a comment, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and in the description link you have all the info to book a call with us. And if you have a specific questions, you can text us at info@esentaxa.com. I repeat the email, info@esentaxa.com. We speak French, Italian, and a bit of English. See you next time.